What if the biggest problem with AI isn't AI at all? Maybe the trap isn't the tools you use. Maybe it's the way you use them. A new AI tool appears, and suddenly it feels like the answer you've been waiting for. So you try it, you learn it, and before it becomes part of your workflow, another tool takes its place. You keep changing tools, but your work doesn't become simpler. It just becomes different. More tools mean more accounts, more settings, and more things to keep track of. Your workflow ends up scattered across different apps instead of working as one connected system. Instead of focusing on your work, you spend more energy deciding what to use next. You're putting in more effort than ever, but your results aren't improving at the same pace. The problem isn't that AI tools are getting worse. In fact, they're getting more capable. But more capability doesn't automatically give you a better way to work. The real problem is trying to solve every task without a system. Without a repeatable process, every new task feels like starting from zero. That's the real AI trap, changing tools instead of building a system. You keep moving, but you never build a process you can repeat. The solution isn't to find the perfect tool, it's to build a system that works with any tool. When your process is clear, every AI tool becomes more useful. Tools should support your system, not become your system. The moment you stop chasing tools, you can finally start building real progress. So the next question is simple. How do you build a system that actually works?